All right, so this is the Schoology app. After downloading the app and going to Schoology.com and joining Schoology as a parent, this is what you should see. And once you're in here, you have a few places to navigate. Up here on the upper left-hand corner, if you touch that, you'll see everything along the left-hand side. And here, if you click on My Children, you'll see any children that you have listed already, or if you don't have any, then that's where you could add the parent access code. And up here in the right-hand corner, that's where I could add another child with their code. So going back over here, again, that was My Children. And if I didn't have any children added yet, that's where I could add the parent access code. And then over here, you'll see different options for you as a parent. This is where you can message. So that would be my inbox, and this is where I can send. If I want to send a message, I just click that little plus sign up in the upper right hand corner, and there I have a new message. So then I would just start typing, and if I know the teacher's name, like for example, to email or message me, I would just start typing MRS since I've put my name as Mrs. Connell in there, and I can type anything. Click attach if I want to attach something, and then send. So again, that was clicking on the plus in the upper right hand corner to send, and typing your message and sending it. Back over here on the left hand side, you'll also see notifications. So if there's anything that you need to be aware of in notifications, there'll probably be a little number next to the bell showing you if you have 1, 2, 3 notifications, kind of similar to Facebook notifications if you're on Facebook. So I, of course, don't have any notifications, but if I did, that's where they would be. And down below that are things that you can explore on your own, but really what's under your child's account is what you're going to want to probably spend the most time exploring. So I'm going to go back to My Children. And I just have Lisa Milliard, our IT director, as my quote-unquote child here. And so you see these are the classes over here on the left-hand side on the top that she's enrolled in. So if I wanted to kind of see what it looks like in any of those classes, I would just tap that class. And in that class, I can see if there are any upcoming assignments for my child on the right-hand side. Or any events or class meetings, maybe if the teacher listed class meetings. I can also, in this materials page that it's on right now, scroll down and see anything that the teacher has posted, or in a Bitmoji classroom, or if they have folders with assignments, I can just tap on the main folder and then explore any additional folders or documents. In here, I can see any assignments or discussion boards or assessments if the teacher organized the folder like that and put any of those types of pieces in a folder. And then at the very bottom of the screen there are back arrows and forward arrows, so that's what I'm using right now. So I can get back to that materials page. I also might want to check the updates page. That would be where the teacher would have posted any updates for the class. And you wouldn't have all these same options on the left-hand side because as a parent you don't have access to all these, but you would have several options on the left-hand side in your toolbar that you would probably want to explore. And you can see at the very, very top of this screen under My Children, it says you are viewing as Lisa Milliard. So that would say you are viewing as fill in the blank with your child's name. So you're kind of seeing the class as they would see it. So really the bulk of what you're going to want to do is in here. And something else to know, at the very, very bottom of the screen, kind of in the middle, is the word support. It's good to know that you can go there. And the Help Center is where I would start before emailing Angela McNeil or Lisa Milliard, because they're for RSU 39. But the Help Center might provide you with the answer you need before messaging one of our administrators. So you can go in there. And you can even do a search. So if there's something specific you want to search, just click that search box and type in your question, and hopefully you can find an answer. So I will go back to this menu on the left-hand side. And the only other thing, well, there's the Help Center as well, you can see. And the only other thing I would mention, sorry, I didn't mean to, I'm just trying to get this to disappear. I would mention would be account settings. You might want to explore that just to see kind of what's in here, what you want to see, if you want your page to open up to what your child is doing or your account. So child activity probably would make the most sense. And if you want to have any other emails in there, and any notifications, you can set how you get notifications, where you get notifications, if you get notifications, etc. So I'd recommend checking that area out as well. So that is my quick overview of the Schoology app. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your child's teacher, and they can even put you in touch with me, Maureen Connell, the Innovation Center Director. I'll do my best to help.